In the ever-evolving world of smartphones, Samsung continues to push the boundaries with its latest innovation, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7. A foldable powerhouse that blends the utility of a tablet and the convenience of a phone, the Z Fold 7 is not just a gadget, it's a statement. But with cutting-edge technology comes the need for advanced protection. Foldables are inherently more delicate than traditional smartphones due to their intricate hinge systems and foldable display. So, if you're investing in the Galaxy Z Fold 7, it only makes sense to pair it with a case that offers the highest level of rugged protection without compromising on functionality or aesthetics. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. In this video, we'll explore 7 must-have rugged cases that are tailored specifically for the Z Fold 7. These cases are more than just armor. They are thoughtful designs that combine shock absorption, hinge protection, premium materials, and even some handy features like kickstands, S-Pen holders, and magnetic closures. Whether you're an adventurer, a clumsy user, or just someone who wants peace of mind, this list has something for everyone. When it comes to rugged phone cases, Spigen is a name that resonates with quality and dependability. The Spigen Tough Armor Pro for the Galaxy Z Fold 7 is no exception. Designed with dual-layer protection, a TPU body with a hard polycarbonate back, it offers supreme shock resistance. The case features air cushion technology, which disperses impact from drops and bumps, minimizing potential damage. What makes this case especially unique is its built-in kickstand, perfect for hands-free viewing in flex mode or full tablet mode. Spigen also includes precise cutouts and enhanced button responsiveness. While it's not the slimmest on the market, the Tough Armor Pro is for those who value protection over everything else. It even includes hinge protection, a crucial feature for any Z Fold user. If you're looking for military-grade protection, the Supcase Unicorn Beetle Pro series is legendary. With its shock-absorbing bumpers, polycarbonate shell, and multi-layered structure, this case transforms your fragile foldable into a rugged survival device. The Z Fold 7 version of the Unicorn Beetle Pro includes full hinge coverage, and unlike many other rugged cases, it doesn't add excessive bulk to the fold mechanism. One standout feature is the detachable rotating belt clip holster, making it a favorite among hikers, workers, and outdoorsmen. Supcase also includes a built-in kickstand that works both vertically and horizontally. Although it may seem aggressive in style, the design is sleek enough to maintain the futuristic vibe of the Z Fold 7. It's available in multiple colorways, including black, metallic blue, and crimson red, giving users some customization options. Another case that balances rugged aesthetics with utility is the VRS Design Quick Stand Active. This case was built from the ground up for the Z Fold 7's unique design. It offers dual-layer drop protection and uses TPU with polycarbonate reinforcements for enhanced durability. But the real hero feature here is the quick stand. The stand is flush with the body when not in use and can be popped out to hold the phone at multiple angles. Great for content creators, binge watchers, or business users who frequently use video calls. Unlike some other rugged cases, the Quick Stand Active still allows for wireless charging compatibility, a big plus in a case with this much bulk. The VRS hinge protection is cleverly designed and doesn't restrict the folding mechanism. Plus, it includes an S-Pen holder, making it an all-in-one package for